Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you how you can create viral YouTube thumbnails using just ChatGPT. You don't have to be a designer to do this. You can be a normal creator just like me who has no design skills whatsoever and still be able to do it. Now to do this particular thing we'll be following three simple steps. So I have a prompt generator, so we'll be using this to generate prompts, and then I'll be giving it some titles, some topics, my image and a reference image like the one that I wanted to make. So for example, if I want to make travel style videos, I'll give it a travel reference of a YouTube thumbnail, like the one that I want, and it will help me generate it. So without wasting time, let's get started. I'll show you a few examples so you'll have a clear idea as to how to do it step by step. So let me just take this prompt generator. It's a simple prompt, help me generate a viral YouTube thumbnail for my new video, the title, and I'll be sharing my image and a reference image of kind of the thumbnail that I wanted to make. So we'll pick the title. First I'll take this title, how to grow from 0 to 100k followers in 90 days. We'll just put it. I'll give it my image and I'll give it a reference image. So I've taken some reference images. You can pick yours, whatever kind of thumbnails you like, you can use that. And just by giving it this, it will give me a prompt. Let's hit enter and see what it gives me. So it has given me the prompt. Again, it's telling me multiple things apart from whatever I've asked for. I'll just ignore everything for now and I'll just take this simple prompt here. I'll copy it, and what I'll do is I'll just paste it again and I'll simply press enter. I'll let it do its work. Just look at this guys, 0 to 100k in 90 days, and you can see Instagram, you can see me. This is amazing, all the background icons and everything. This is just an amazing thumbnail. Now let me show you a few more examples of what I've been able to create. I'll again be using the same method, same steps, so there's no need for me to wait. I'll just skip it ahead and I'll show you the results directly. Again, you can see the image is just crazy. Okay, I'll be creating a few more thumbnails and I'll show you how they look right away. So guys, here it has generated me two images. Let me know in the comments which one do you like more. I think I like this one better because it has big bold text, it has clear crisp images, and I just love this one. Definitely let me know in the comments that which of these two do you like, and then there are more images that I'm generating, so I'll keep you updated with that. So here's the one it has created for a Dubai nightlife travel or kind of a thing. It's just amazing. Just look at this. The way it has used emojis, the way it has shown my expressions, the way it has put Dubai in the background with the luxurious nightlife that it has, it's crazy. And finally I asked it to create a thumbnail for this particular video. So this is what it created, and I love this thumbnail, and this is what I'll be using for this video itself. So you can see that I'm using what I'm creating here just using ChatGPT and simple prompts. That's it. I hope you liked this video. I hope you enjoyed it. You learned something new from it. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more such videos.